Obesity really controls your life. I was really burdened with taking 250 units of insulin a day, every morning, every day at noon, every night, along with prescription drugs. It's not much of a life. When I decided to call the St. Mary's Bariatric Program, I knew I needed a change.
Well, Jeff received what's called the loop duodenal switch, and it's one of the newer procedures that we have out now. It seems to work well with patients with multiple comorbid diseases, as well as with a significant amount of weight to lose.
I left the hospital on no insulin or any prescription drugs. I knew that that was a possibility, I just didn't dream that would happen for me.
Jeff did extremely well, and we knew from the start that he was. He was so motivated. He was up ambulating within a couple hours of being on the floor. He has followed his diet to a T.
After surgery, I have a whole new look on life. I feel great. I can walk 12 to 15 miles a day now. I exercise. I do things with my kids now that I didn't do. I have energy, and I have lost about 169 pounds in the last 4 months, and I feel great.
It's very gratifying to be able to help somebody improve their life to the extent that bariatric surgery does for our patients.
Dr. Hanosh and his staff and the staff at St. Mary's Bariatric has been amazing. It doesn't really matter if you need them day or night, they're there for you. It's been much easier than I thought it would be. I have not been sick one time. I have not been nauseous. I have not experienced pain. When I would first come to St. Mary Bariatrics and they would weigh me, I wouldn't even look down at the scale. And now I see the scale and I jump on it.
Well, he was just pleased with how much of his life he got back. I don't really think that he realized how much he was missing out on.
My family and I went to Disney last month, and for the last 15 years, I've rented a scooter to get around the parks. This year, I walked everywhere. It's hard to imagine that you can have a better life. It's hard to imagine that you can have energy and freedom and success in weight loss when you've been obese all your life. It was the most difficult decision I ever made, but the sweetest reward I've ever tasted.